Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today's video is going to be my 2 looks video with the Lethal is Dead palette. This is the collaboration between Lethal Cosmetics and Theresa is Dead, and I'm so pumped about this. Theresa did such a beautiful job on this. I'm so proud of her. She's so deserving. Look at this. It's so glorious. She just killed it. I'm so proud of her. I love the colors. I love the spooky theme. It's just so cool. What a fun collab. I'm just so happy that I have this in my life. It's so beautiful. I have also already done a first impressions video and a TikTok/Instagram video, so if you haven't seen those, go check those out for 2 additional looks. But I'm gonna be doing 2 more in this video today. I'm very excited. I did 2 very different looks and I hope you enjoy them. I don't wanna ramble too much in this intro. I did talk about my jewelry details before each look, so just stay tuned if you're curious about anything. Yeah, with all that being said, I think I've said it all. Let's just go ahead and hop into those 2 looks. Hello, how is it going? Today's Monday the 26th. I'm getting ready for work and we're gonna do look number 1. Let me give you my details though before I forget. My plugs today are from Hear No Evil Jewelry on Etsy. You can use my non-affiliated discount code BUTEBEAN for 10% off. My ring is from Edalove. You can't see it right now, but this cat choker is from a local shop in Orlando called Prometheus Esoterica. And I think I got this hat off Amazon a million years ago. So yeah, let's just move forward and create look number 1. My camera has been being weird this morning, so it better stay on and it better record my footage. That's all I'm saying. I'm priming with the Smashbox Lid Primer in Light. I'm going to blend it out and I'm not gonna set it because I don't prefer to do that. You know how it goes, you know? So for look number 1, I just wanna do something very smoky blue outer corner, purple lid, just all the things. It's gonna be very cute. So I wanna go ahead and start with the blue. I'm gonna take Predator and just really focus that in my outer corner and my lower lash line. I'm gonna use this Illuminating smudge brush. It's just a little pencil brush because I wanna keep it really precise. I am also gonna go in with a black liner soon to smoke it out more. I meant dark blue. I don't know why I said black. I was just thinking to deepen up. But yeah, I'm gonna do that to smoke out the lower lash line a little bit as well. But I want to get a little bit of shadow laid down as a base to start with. Just smudging all the way across. Now I want to take my liner. This is the NYX Faux Blacks liner in the shade Midnight. I want to just heavily smudge this in my waterline and make it super messy right underneath so that when I smudge it out, it all just like flows down together really nicely. Actually, scratch that. I feel like this liner is getting very dry. It's not really working. So I'm going to use the Milk Makeup one in the shade Biz. This one's still pretty creamy. It's also just a nice deep blue. There we go. Now it's actually applying. So yeah, I'm just getting my lower lash line super coated with this product. And then I'm going to pick up a little bit more Predator shadow on that smudge brush and I'm just going to go to town right on top of it, just getting it nice and smudged. Very dark, smoked out lower lash line. Actually, you know what? Earlier I talked about a black liner. Let's take some of that. I want to use that in this outer corner just a bit. This is the NYX Epic Wear liner in the shade Pitch Black. And I want to just plop some of this right in the outer corner of my eye. It's not really going to matter too much because I am going to be doing a big winged liner. This is more so just going to help create some dimension as I blend out. And it's going to look scary before it's not. Just stick with me, I promise we'll get there. All right, now that that's smudgy and looks horrifying, I'm going to take Watery Grave. Horrifying just because of my placement so far. The shadow is beautiful. I'm gonna take this on the MOTD Cosmetics Miss Shady Lady brush. I'm gonna start by focusing it here in the front portion because I just want this to be light and airy. But then I'm going to focus on out here and down here just to get everything super blurred out. Love this color. It's like almost a cornflower blue, but not really. It's a little lavendery. It's really, really pretty. I'm gonna take just the teeniest bit more of Predator again on my smudgy brush just to re-intensify the outer corner. Make sure everything is laying where I want it. I don't want this shade to go past the center of my crease. And I'm gonna take Watery Grave again and go to town. And build up a little bit more of this dark blue down here in the lower lash line. So I do want just that heavy focus down here. Just a little bit more Watery Grave. All right, and now for the lid, I'm gonna start with my NYX Glitter Primer and this Odin's Eye brush. It's the FR3, just a big fluffy lid brush. And I am just going to pop some of this glitter primer all across the lid, just a little bloop of it. More focus in the blank part, not so much in the deep part. And then using the same sticky brush, I'm gonna use Spellbound, this beautiful shimmer purple. And I'm just gonna plop it right on. And again, focusing it mostly in the front half. I don't really want it to like cover up what I did in the outer part. I just want it to flow together nicely, not doing any sort of cut crease or anything. And then I'm gonna take my smudgy brush that I used with the darkest blue, no additional product, and I'm just gonna very lightly just start a smudging right where they meet. There we go, something kind of sort of like that. I'm gonna use Straight to VHS as my inner corner highlight before I create my wing. Just using a teeny little brush from Alter Ego. Just something small to tuck it right there in the inner corner. All right, and now for my big wing, I wanna use Spectre, this beautiful blue that I actually have not used yet, so I'm very excited. I'm gonna use this Illamasqua brush. It's the brow definer brush, but I'm gonna use it for liner. It's just an angled brush and it's really thin, which I like. So I'm just gonna start it right where my lower lash line is and just trail it up. Obviously, if you hate winged liner, you could skip this step. I'm not the boss of you. But I just felt like doing it today and I really wanted to test out this blue. Not that I feel like there's much to test out because the other two liners are amazing, but I just haven't used it yet and I really wanted to. I thought it would look really cute with like a very smoky blue outer corner and then with that blue wing cutting through, just so cool. It's so hard for me to talk while I do this. I essentially just kind of draw the outer corner and then I draw the inside and then I just kind of connect and go back and forth until I am liking the way it looks. I usually have to perfect it off camera because I have to have a mirror really close to my face. It's very difficult for me to work on this from far away, but I'll show you the best I can. Winged liner just takes practice kind of figuring out what works best for your eye shape. This is not perfect, but this is close, so I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna repeat it on the other eye and then perfect my liner so it matches on both sides. And I'll be back after I put on lashes and something on my lips. All right, here's the completed look. I think it's really, really pretty. My eyes are both bright and just smoky deep at the same time. I just love it. I love this shape. It's so good. I just love a blown out lower lash line. It gets me going. My lashes are from Lunar Beauty. They're the style Nova. I'm obsessed with them. It's like my third time wearing them and I just love them. And on my lips, I wanted something bright today. So I went with Ascend from Rare Beauty. It's one of the lip soufflés. And I actually think it's really fun with this look. It has nice contrast and I think it still flows nicely. I don't know. I love it. So that's it for look number one. Let's move on to look number two. All right, hello, it's the next day. It's Tuesday the 27th. I'm pretty sure this video is actually going up today, so hello, hope you're doing well. I wanna do just kind of like a pinky, peachy look today. I think that'll be really pretty. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, let me give you my jewelry details before I forget. My plugs are Love Kills Boutique, earrings are Spooky Doodle Club on Etsy, and my necklace is Ana Luisa. So let's just hop right in now. This is the Smashbox Lid Primer in Light as usual. So I'm gonna start with Vengeful Spirit. It's a beautiful dark reddish burgundy kind of color. I'm gonna take that on a pencil brush. This is the e.l.f. J Kissa J4. I feel like my voice is giving it away that I've only been awake like 45 minutes. I feel great though, I'm really not sleepy. I just woke up early and wanted to get started today. Got a lot on my to-do list today. So I guess I want to do kind of a halo eye. So I'm putting most of this focus on the inner and outer portion of my lid. I'm gonna smoke it out across my lower lash as well. Thinking I'm gonna do a pop of lime in the lower lash line so that I can use another one of the gel liners from the collection. I think that'll be very, very cute. All right, now that that's laid down, I wanna take the final girl, this pinky shade. I'm gonna take that on this OMFG brush. It's the OM21 brush. It's just kind of like a tapered blending brush. And I am just going to start by putting focus just on where I've already laid down the darker shade. And then once I get that more blended, I will drag things through the crease, like through the center. But for now, I just wanna work on buffing out what I've already laid down so that it's nice and soft. This look is gonna be a lot more on the easy side compared to look number one. Look number one had a lot more going for it. but I just wanted a different vibe today, you know? I'm kind of lightly carrying it through the crease now just to add a little bit of blend there. Everything is just blending so soft. I love it so much. All right, now that that's done, we're gonna work on the lid. I'm gonna take again my NYX Glitter Primer. I use it with every shimmer ever, and an Alter Ego number 5 brush. It's just a flat packing brush. And I wanna just focus this on the center of my lid. I'm not gonna do any kind of cut creasiness or anything like that. I just want it to be in the center. And we are gonna use Ancient Evil, this beautiful peachy shimmer. I actually have not used the shade yet. It's the only shade in the palette I've yet to use. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, it's so soft looking. It's really cute. Really like that color, especially next to these pinks. I'm gonna take my pencil brush now that I have with the darkest shade, no additional product, and I'm just gonna lightly smudge right where the matte and shimmer meets. And I actually wanna add one more little fun thing to this look. I have this new pressed glitter quad from Colourpop. It's the Rainbow Sprinkles quad, and I really wanna top some of this peachy glitter on top. I think it's called Yas Please. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna use my little finger here. It's actually a little too much. I'm gonna dab some of that off. Ooh, too much. Okay. I just wanna pop some glitter on top. I'm really happy they came out with like a pressed glitter quad because I don't love pressed glitters in my palettes, but I'm not opposed to glitter. I just wanna reach for it on my own time. Here we go. Just thought it's a little extra sparkle, you know? All right, for the inner corner, I'm just gonna use Straight to VHS again like I did in look number 1. Because that was really cute. And it's the best highlighty shade in the palette for me. So yeah, that's the look. Super easy peasy. I'm going to recreate it on my other eye, throw on my lashes, eye pencil, and something on my lips, and I will be back when I'm complete. All right, here's look number 2. I think it's really pretty. Just simple, glowy, pretty eye makeup, you know, I like it. I think it's really cute. I really like the pop of lime that I added. I did use the Ectoplasm gel liner from Lethal as well. I just think it adds a nice little pop in there. My lashes are still Nova from Lunar Beauty, like look number 1. And on my lips, my little lip combo is the Obvi lip pencil from Colourpop and the Hot Shot Luxe lip oil from Colourpop. So yeah, this is look number 2. I hope you like it. Let me zoom out and we will finish up this video. All right, hello. I hope you enjoyed the video. Which look was your favorite? As much as I do enjoy this one, my heart is definitely with look number 1. I loved that look. I felt so pretty, so cool. Loved that look, but I'd love to know if you prefer this one. I'd also love to know if you picked up this palette. Do you plan on picking it up? I would love to hear your thoughts down below. I just think it's magnificent. Theresa just did such a beautiful job with this. I didn't have any issues with anything blending weird. Everything is just flawless. It blends beautifully. The colors are so nice to work with. I love the gel liners. There's a gray one as well, but I don't have it in front of me. She just did such a good job and I could not be more proud of her. She deserves the world and I'm just so happy. But yeah, I guess that's it. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave me a spooky related emoji since this is a spooky palette? And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.